So let's go and make that smoothie that I promised you. We are going to make it together. I'm actually hungry. Let's get going. I'm having a little. Oh, let me show you actually. I have a lot. Mangoes and more mangoes. Let's make this smoothie together. I have this frozen fruits that I bought the last time. They were not nice at all, so I had to freeze them so I can make a smoothie. And also I've cut up some mangoes and trying the nectarine and also banana. I'm just going to add this some pineapple and banana, some blueberries, and some strawberries. That's what I prepared. I have some banana in there, some mangoes to make the smoothie more nice, and some nectarines. The nectarines that I was complaining about as well, and they're overripe. Guys, my life. It's fine, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. I don't know what to add. Do you add milk? I wish it was liquid milk. I was going to. So I've made my smoothie. Oh, guys, there's a lot. Strawberries, banana, pineapple, nectarine, mango. What else? And blueberries. Yeah. So let's give it a test. Let's see.